In this video, we are going to see that if we want to hide any Discord server on our PC, here's what you can do. First of all, we have a lot of, let's say, servers that we want to get rid of, and we want to hide that. All you have to do is, first of all, just click or right click on that particular server that you want to hide. Just click on the mute server, and you can set the specific time period for 15 minutes, for 1 hour, or maybe until I turn it back on. So since we are planning to hide it, we want to hide it for the unlimited amount of time. Let's click on that. And after that, just click on add a server. What this does is you can create your own server that you will use as a trash can for me and my friends, and just write trash here. And what you can do is just move all of these servers into this trash. So as you can see, I just holded that and just clicked on it once, and it is sent to trash. So what this does is basically it will create a collapsible area where you can save all of your unused servers. But if you just want to get rid of totally, you can hide the muted channels from here, and it's also muted. But the trash can works best in this area because even if you hide the muted channels, it will still show up here. So that's a simple process on how you can hide a particular Discord server or a couple of them. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.